Hello, viewers. Today we are going to discuss metronidazole. Metronidazole is also known as Flagyl. It's its brand name, and this medicine is available in tablets, syrups, and injectable form. Now we will discuss the mechanism of action of metronidazole. Metronidazole is basically a prodrug. It is converted into the active form, which is metronidazole nitroradical, and it utilizes the enzyme system of anaerobic bacteria. This is pyruvate ferredoxin oxidoreductase system. What is this system? This system basically convert pyruvate into acetyl-CoA, which is ultimately generating ATP in the pathogen. Now, the metronidazole is acting as an electron sink. It receives electron from this system and is converted into metronidazole nitroradical, which is a active form of the drug, and this is basically reactive oxygen species, and it can react with the DNA, and it can damage the DNA, and also it can damage other structures of the pathogen. Now, the good news is that resistance against metronidazole is rare. The reason behind this is that drug uses the bacterial enzyme system to convert it into its active form. The enzyme system is very difficult because it will put the bacterial survival at risk. Now, let's discuss the pharmacokinetic of the drug. First of all, about absorption, I must say that metronidazole oral bioavailability is almost 100%. The distribution of metronidazole is also excellent, and it penetrates into the tissue, all kind of tissues, including bones and brain. It can cross the blood-brain barrier easily and can reach the infection site. Now let's discuss about the bacterial targets of the drug. First of all, about ulcerative colitis, which is caused by Clostridium difficile. You can see here the ulcerative colitis is basically infection of colon. You can see here the infected area of the colon. This is caused by the Clostridium difficile and is successfully treated with the metronidazole. Patient is gas gangrene. This is caused by the bacterium Clostridium perfringens, and gas gangrene is basically the lack of blood flow to the tissue, and tissue damages and ultimately death of the tissue occur. Then you can see some ulcer and dead tissues, and you can compare it with the healthy tissue. Another indication of metronidazole is appendicitis, which is caused by bacteroid flagellus. You can see here the healthy appendix, and this is the inflamed appendix. Metronidazole is also used in peptic ulcer treatment. It is used in combination with some other drugs in triple therapy or quadruple therapy. The peptic ulcer is caused by the Helicobacter pylori, and this infection is also successfully treated with metronidazole. Now we will discuss about the protozoal targets of the drug. The first one is Entamoeba histolytica, and this is the protozoa which cause amoebic dysentery in human. And this protozoa can exist in two states, that is trophozoite stage, which is active stage and dividing stage, while the cyst stage, it is the non-dividing stage. The important thing is that metronidazole can target only the active stage, that is a trophozoite stage. However, the dysentery is treated in combination with the diloxanide furoate, which is available in the combination with metronidazole. Another infection which is successfully treated with the metronidazole is cardiac amblia. This infection causes the bouts of watery diarrhea and stomach cramps, and this is also treated with the metronidazole. Another protozoa which is successfully treated by the metronidazole is Trichomonas vaginalis. This bacteria cause infection in genital organs of male and female, and this protozoa cause sexually transmitted infections. Here is the overview of all the infections which are treated by metronidazole. Now let's talk about the ADRs related to metronidazole. Metronidazole can cause different ADRs, which are basically dose related. At higher doses, the ADRs can occur. The drug is a prodrug and is converted into its active form, which is having very high penetration power, and it can penetrate or absorb in different tissues and may cause the serious ADRs related to gastrointestinal, which is nausea, vomiting, anorexia. and it may also penetrate in the brain, and here it may cause seizures, and it may and it can interfere with the functions of nerve cells, and it may cause tingling and numbness, that is peripheral neuropathy. It may also cause ataxia. If you think this video is useful for others, please like and share.